This is a really quick tutorial on how to sign up for the student iPads that are currently housed in the library. So when you log into your computer and you click on the Google Chrome icon and you go to the Dillard Drive page, you're going to come over to where it says Quick Links. You're going to choose the staff links and you're going to click the DDES intranet site. When you get to the intranet, you're going to want to click on Sign Up Schedules and Minutes. You're going to scroll down here to where it says Media Center iPads. When you click on that, a calendar will come up with different time slots. So, for example, tomorrow, Thursday 1-3, I can see all of the bins that are available. So the red, pink, black, green, and yellow bins are available, and if I hover over it, you can see that the time slot comes up. So this is the 9 o'clock to 9:30 time slot. It looks like they are free for the whole day, all the way down to the last time slot, which is 3 to 3:30. So in order to select a time, you would click on a bucket that you wanted. Say you want the red iPads for 1 o'clock, and you can see that a little thing comes up that says book an appointment. You can see that it says this is the red iPads that I'm signing up for, and it also says who is signing up for it. If I click save, that box will go away on the sign up sheet, which means it's not available in that time because I've signed it out. Okay? It will not show your name on the sign up sheet, but it will make a note in your personal Google Calendar. Okay? So one thing that you do want to make sure when you are signing up for this is that you are logged in under your account, your Wake ID account. Okay, so it will take the bucket away. So it didn't do it for me because I didn't click save because I don't actually want to sign up for this. But if I was signing up for it, I would click save. On the sign up chart, the box with where I had just chosen will be removed because I signed up for it, and it will make a note on your personal Google Calendar. Okay? If you have any specific questions, please feel free to email me directly. Thanks.